everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Melina with Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how this pocket page comes together. I am going to be working with some Cocoa Daisy kits, not just the July kit, but I found some 3x4 cards and things that go along with these pictures from other months, and I'll go over that in just a minute. I will be using a Becky Higgins Project Life insert that is 2 4x6, 4 3x4, and then 2 4x6. I'll be using that pocket page. I'll be using my cutter bee scissors. These are the alphas from this month. And let's see, some die cuts from this month. And maybe some of the papers, some of my scrap pages I've got from the papers. And then these are from April. That's April. That's this month. That's the April washi. It's kind of a rainbow theme. There is the April planner clip. And I thought it went so well that I'm going to use it on this page. It's got pink in it. She's got pink and purple on. I don't really have a lot that has purple in it, but I have come to the conclusion if I'm ever going to get scrapbook pages and pocket pages done, that I've got to go with what I've got and stop looking to be so matchy-matchy with all of my pictures. I also have some paper from the April kit, and I might use some of these cardstock stickers from the April kit. See, it says Easter Traditions. I also have the phrase stickers from last month, the June kit, the Serengeti kit. And I'm just going to bring it all together and wish me luck with this because it's a smorgasbord of things. And I just tried to pick out all type items to go along with the colors a little bit in these pictures. Her cake is hot pink. Really don't have a lot of hot pink in this month, so that's why I went with a lot of stuff from April, because April did have some really cute pink in it. And she has on a purple shirt. I don't have a lot of purple anywhere, so we're just going to go with what we got. I will speed up this process, let you see how it comes together, and be sure to visit the Cocoa Daisy website. I have it listed in the description below. I am on the design team, so if you were to purchase a subscription to Cocoa Daisy, mention my name, Melina Pilot, in the checkout, and we both get a reward for you mentioning my name as a referral. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And click the little bell. That way you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and here we go.